My name is Greg, and in this video I want to show you small review for soldered board of clone PW metal detector. It's a module which ready to use, just you need to connect a battery and search coil, and better install it in the plastic box. Speaker and buttons are already connected to the model. Let's look on it. Clone PW is this pulse induction metal detector. Like all other pulse induction metal detectors, it has his own benefits. It's very simple, cheap, and it can work with different size of coil, especially with big frames for the deep search. But it can work with the small, like 20 or 15 centimeters, and show good results for searching of small things. But in the other hand, it can't discriminate metals. No matter if it's a gold coin or gold ring or just a nail or screw or any other metal things. It can't detect what type of metal is there. But its benefits, it can work on the salt ground, on the mineralized ground, so it's a very useful thing. Let's look on the board. It has 10 LED indicators, 5 buttons, volume plus, volume minus, barrier minus, barrier plus, and reset. These two wires for battery minus and plus. These two for the connector to the search coil, and two other to the speaker. The size of the board 15 millimeters for 86 millimeters. In my page on eBay, this model you can buy only like this, ready soldered and tested model with buttons and speaker, or together with plastics box and connectors for the battery and for the search coil. DC for the battery and GX16 for the search coil. This board is ready to install for this plastic box. You just need to make the places for the buttons and for the LED indicators. And in the back side or in the top of the box install the speaker and connectors for the search coil and for the battery. Now let's connect the board to the search coil and to the battery. For 12 volts you need battery. And let's turn it on. This is my test coil. It has 21 turns of wire diameter 0.71 millimeters. This battery, I already everything connected together. As other microcontroller pulse induction metal detector, coil of clone shouldn't be near the metal when you turn it on or reset it, because in the first step of turning it makes the test and finds the zero position. So if you turn it on near the metal, for example like this, the sensitive is go down. but if I reset it, sensitive come back to normal. This is usual Ukrainian coin. You shouldn't know we are inside the flat and a lot of different metal around me, so the sensitive is not the best in this case. And I don't make any settings. Here in the board is resistor which you can rotate and try to find the most sensitive position. For example, for this coin in the outside with such type of coil, it should have 23-25 centimeters. Now maybe something about this, but it's not the best. This is big old coin. Not a big difference with the big coin or small, but small coin when we parallel to the coil, but when in the center it not see, but with the bigger coin. There is no such difference. About the buttons. In the middle reset button, volume low, volume minus, no volume. The highest volume. Barrier plus and minus. The lower barrier, the higher sensitive. Now it's the lowest variant. If I edit the barrier, this is the highest barrier. So such it is working. The benefits of using this module, you should understand, it's very cheap. It's not very difficult to build metal detector on it. And the most important for a lot of you, and the most useful thing, you can work with this metal detector with big frames, for example 1 meter or larger. It can give you ability to work for 4, 5, 6 meters. In my page on eBay you can find already search cable for frame 2 meters diameter. It gives ability to work for 5-6 meters, and no any other type of metal detectors, only pulse induction can work on such deep. What you should need other, the clone PV is not the best variant of pulse induction metal detectors, but for its price it's good enough, and this good quality model You can look in my page or in any other stores. You can find tracker PW or tracker P2. In my opinion, it works better. Pirate, it's some other type of pulse induction metal detector. It haven't microcontroller. Yeah, so it's not so comfort to use, but it gives some other benefits to it. Yeah, what else? Cache 5, in my opinion, is better than clone or tracker. This clone PW, you can find clone P hour. It's very same schemes, but it here LED indicators, and in P hour model it use LCD display and give more settings and show you more information and more give you more abilities. So if as for me, I choose hour than W, but the high price for hour, so uh, you should to make your own decision what you need. That's maybe all what I want to tell you about this model. Link to this project in but only in Russian language, and link to my page on eBay I leave in the description to this video. If you like this video, please subscribe in my channel, push button like, leave your comments and share this video with your friends. Goodbye.